chart in the stars where no one's been. My keys the glue, the muscle, the heart. Andre's fists tear your world apart. Blast off.
It's an awful lot of work. You have to basically rebuild it every time you jump through Unity, and it costs about 500,000 credits each time that I build it. So there's a lot of prep time to making it, and then there's the process of assembling it correctly and then making sure the parts all fit together. It's called the Razorleaf III because it's the third version that Stache has built, but in actuality it's like closer to Razorleaf like 26 or something.